What's up, Mark? Start talking to yourself. Oh, man. Alright, now I'm gonna do an unboxing of the mouthwash. Making a video, me. Making a video, me.
Making a video?
Yes.
Okay.
I know you're checking on me. Well, got my mouthwash. Thank you for getting me that mouthwash. The one you bought me, so I paid for it off screen with her card. Being careful what we spend, I know. Everybody knows that. Well, this is a different one. It's supposed to be alcohol free, that's okay. It's a badass mouthwash. To me, they are. Well, tomorrow is Anthony Anderson's birthday. For right now, tonight, it's unboxing. This is a little difficult to open, that's okay. Hair right here. Oh. Alright. This is real. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe now. And I will see you towards the end of the video. Peace. Bye. This is the Spring Mint mouthwash.